In this video, I will tell you how to enable disable developer option. First, go to the settings. You search here about phone. Okay. Other method is here search about phone. Okay. When you are in about phone, you can see software information, status, legal information, customer service. Go in software information and you can see more options. Click on build number. Okay, you can click on build number 4 to 5 times. Okay, here type your password. Check you are now a developer. Okay, now how to disable this? Okay, back here in search option, you search developer option. Click on this. Okay, here you can see this is on. Simplest way of this in this way. Thanks for watching.